Good morning. It is so cold. It is.
You're as cold as ice. You're willing to sacrifice our love.
Are you cold as ice this morning? It is so cold. Okay, so cold and it is springtime, but it feels like wintertime. So I got all my warm stuff on. I hope you got your fuzzy slippers on and you're all bundled up. All right, as you get started on your work this morning. All right, so today's assignments, you are going to, let's flip through. You are going to look at the phonemic awareness, boys and girls. Some of these slides, some of you don't need all of this. And you've had phonics all the way through, you know it. Some of us are maybe English second language, and we could really use the review. Some of us have never had phonics. We moved in and the school we had before didn't have it. Guys, then watch these. They cannot hurt you. They can only help you, make you a stronger reader. Now, when you get to the syllable type, like some of these are the beginning to help us with that phonemic awareness. But guys, when we get to the syllable types, this one, all of us could use this help. Some of us maybe got magic E, but when it came to the consonant LE, we struggled with that because we kept trying to call it a magic E, remember? So this one is helpful. Go ahead and watch this. And then she's going to go through some nonsense words, the pseudo words, all right, for you to check your sounds. Guys, this is great practice, all right? Then you're going to do a drag and drop to make sure that you remember which one, what all these syllable types are. Guys, this is great practice. Okay, now, when you get to this part, oh, wait, way back up. You know what we forgot to do? Got to talk about the pledge. Shout out to those of you who recognized that yesterday's pledge was Miss Malloy. And you got a picture of me going, right, with my thumb up, because it was me. Yes, it was. Good job. And thank you for the email because that was part of the directions. Send me an email with your guess. So do that today. When you figure out who this is, send me an email. Tell me who you think it is. All right. Now let's go on back down. Then you're going to do the drag and drop. Now, when you get to this slide, now this is actually slide 10 is where reading starts, the literacy starts. Guys, we have phonics, phonemic awareness every day. That doesn't count. That's a 15-minute that's separate from our 30 minutes of reading. Okay, so we should be spending some time on the phonemic awareness and on our phonics every day. The Greek and Latin roots, Miss Hyde is doing a great job with that. Okay, but technically, this is where reading starts, slide 10. Okay, now, Miss Techie Malloy, I'm getting so techie. Before you listen to this, which is probably about the third time that you should have heard this, I want you to look at this. Listen first. You're going to go to here and look what happens when you hover over that. There's a little arrow. And when you click that, you're going to hear my voice. And I'm going to explain to you what to put in this box. Okay? Because, well, I'm going to explain it to you. Okay? So be sure that you listen to that before you listen to this again. All right? And then answer the question. All right, then you're going to listen to Miss McCraddock explain about evidence. Boys and girls, this is very important. These next few days, we're going to be listening to some more stories tomorrow and the rest of the week, or myths, but we're getting ready to do a writing. We're getting ready to do a writing that is going to have some elaboration in it that we're going to have to write. We're going to have to back up. We're going to have to put some text evidence in there, and we're helping you. We're trying to show you how to do it, and the like on this one, why do we do elaboration? Boys and girls, watch these. Watch these. There's not a lot to write to answer these questions for Miss McCraddock's slide and for my slide, but I need you thinking about it. And I need you to think thick. Remember the thin answers that were just the right there, kindergarten, first grade? Guys, I need fourth grade answers. I need you to really be thinking about it. Okay? When you get here, you're going to have an edge elastic. Now, boys and girls, this isn't oh, I'm just not going to do that today. Yeah, we have to do the edge elastic. All right? So you're going to click on this. And you're going to, maybe. Well, see, I called myself techie and then see it's not going to work. There we go. All right, so we're going to open it up. And for those of you who are getting confused on where to go. Okay, when you open it up, now, let's say you had not been in it before, it's going to log you in first. So it may take you to Miss Malloy's classroom and your whole list. Okay, let's say it looked more like a sign-in page. That's okay. Then click back over here to the assignment. Once you've logged in, then go to your tabs at the top, click on assignment, come back to here, then click on this one again. And when you do it the second time, it will take you right to the assignment. Okay? Now, what I want you to see about this assignment, because I know some of us are going to freak out. So I'm going to show you, this is a preview version, so I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. Now, this says, remember you click over here to get your text. So remember the blue lines. Okay? Now, so this is about Fortnite video game, and it's asking you to select the sentence that shows why Michael took Fortnite away from the kids. So you need to look at this, and you need to think, why did he? What evidence? So this, do you see how it's highlighting different sentences? You're not going to write an answer, and you don't even see any other question than this right here. So you're going to figure out which one of these sentences explains why, which one shows why Michael took Fortnite away from his kids. So you're going to look at these sentences, which one would be the evidence of why he took that away from his kids, okay? So that's all you're going to do. All four of these questions, it is which sentence is the evidence. Now, boys and girls, listen to me carefully. All right? That doesn't mean I'm going to just guess. Oh, look, it's one of those four sentences, and I get to just eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Think about it. Think like a fifth grader. You're about to be a fifth grader. All right? So I need you to think like a fifth grader. All right? Now, be watching for an email about yesterday's Flipgrid. Okay, let me get back so that I'm not in the middle of that slide. I'm in this slide. Okay. All right, so be watching for an email from me. Guys, email me or Miss Evans or both of us every day, okay, just to say hello. But I will watch your email for a feedback video about your Flipgrid from yesterday. Okay? It may be later in the day, so just kind of watch your email. I don't know that I'll be able to get all 56 videos made by the time you start your work. I know I don't have them all done right now, so, be watching. I will get them to you. And some of you don't get them done on the first day. That's okay. I keep watching to see when you turn your Flipgrid in, so just keep watching for that. All right? All right. So let's end with our little bit of, I can get my song coming back. Okay. Stay warm today. I love you. And you might send me a picture of you all bundled up cozy this morning, trying to stay warm. Okay? I love you guys. Have a great day.